What's up, y'all? It's your boy LSHera254. Now we back for another one. Got the sun gleaming on the Chevy. Last time we left off, got that down to the bare metal. It shows y'all that the sanding disc work. 36 wasn't shits, 80 wasn't shits on that, or the straight line, wherever it's at. But I mean, that's not what it's made for. You know what I'm saying? In order to do the job correctly, you have to get the right tool. That's exactly what we did. So let me show you what we got.
I be looking good. I be gripping brain, nigga. I be gripping wood. Okay. Hey. My seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
All right, y'all. So, like I said, we back. It's another one, steady in the lab. It's crazy, man. Like, look at the sun hitting off of the. Like, look how much of a mountain of paint is on this damn car. Like, that's crazy. Cause this is down the middle, right? And then there's like a whole mountaintop. So, what we're gonna do is get rid of all of that. Just a recap from last time, I was taking it down just to see if it was consistent on all the panels, and it was. Multiple layers of paint, so we just gonna take it on down. But like I said in the intro, man, you gotta make sure you got the right tools. So, at the suggestion of my boy Loco, I went ahead and grabbed the Bauer surface conditioning tool. Includes universal fits, 4-inch by 4-inch abrasive drums. This is like 120, probably like 140 after tax or some shit. For the surface conditioning tool, the 40 grit clean and strip drum, the 120 grit stripping drum, and the 240 finishing. They don't sell the drums at Harbor Freight, but from what I've been told, you can use other universal ones or the ones from the company, Eastwood. Eastwood has an SCT. If you're all about that brand name shit, going to knock you off an SCT from Eastwood, and theirs is like $180. I think it's like $60 more than this one, so it's like damn near $200. So this one, from the reviews and shit, it works just as good. Some people have said it's the same thing, relabeled, which I wouldn't put it past them, because that's everything in America, right? Manufactured overseas, brought over here, and then boom, put another name on it. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it and show you what's in the box, and then we're gonna put it to work. So you know what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to one-hand this thing. So got the box open. So this is your 240 grit finishing joint right down the edge. You got this is one we're gonna be using, the stripping drum, 40 grit. Then we got the 120 grit right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have to get some more of these, because like I said, this is the one I'm gonna be using. Also comes with an Allen wrench, some other stuff, like 2 Allen wrenches, a screw, and I'm pretty sure that's to secure the drums on there. Alright, so there is the tool in the plastic, straight out the box. See what else we got in here. Alright, so got some instructions, got a handle, got some electrical things. I'm guessing the brushes, magnets, whatever it is, to keep it going. And then, like I said, we got the actual tool here. It's pretty. It ain't super duper. I mean, it got some weight to it. You can one-hand it though. This is 9 amp, 1000 to 3700 RPM, and that's pretty much everything that comes inside the box. So I'm gonna read the instructions, get it put together, and I'll cut you back on. Okay, so we got the handle installed with those 2 screws. Then there were 2 metal pieces that came with it, and those slide down the side of there, on there. Then you're gonna take your drum, line it up like that, and then you take your screw there and secure it down on the end. Lock the spindle and good to go as far as assembly. That simple. All right, so now we are fully assembled. Handle, grid disc, the whole 9. So now we just need some power and we're gonna put it to work. So I'm gonna just start right here. I'm just gonna continue to go down the side of the car and see how it works. How effective is it? We could probably start over here on this side too. Like I said, we already got that down the middle. This right here don't look like it's too much, but as you can see, the surface area that the drum is gonna cover is gonna be a whole lot more than them grinding discs. So from some of the reviews, I heard that the discs or the drums kind of wear fast. I don't know how fast, but I know we definitely gonna have to get another one, have it on deck. All right, so just kind of get you kind of familiar right quick. It's got a trigger. Oh, guess you gotta hold it. Oh, it's like delayed. That's what's up. Okay. So it's got like a delayed start. That's speed 1. Right here, you can adjust it. And then that's speed 6. Also has a trigger lock, so push it right there, so you can just go with it. So I'm going to get my iPro and my mask, and we finna see what's up.
All right, so that's speed 1. We're gonna kick it up to about speed 3. All right, so that's speed 3. I'll kick it up to 6. Look at all she got.
So, first impressions. Keep it moving. If the surface is not 100% flat, it does kind of help to like adjust your pressure. But as you can see, I mean, it is coming on off. So, I'm gonna put y'all on this time lapse, and I'm gonna get busy. Also, to be quite honest, sheet will be flying, so it may behoove you to use not just eye protection like this, but some goggles that like fully gap you in. You know what I'm saying? Fully get you covered, so you don't run into no issues. But enough of that talk. Let's get busy. And now you can kind of see what we got in a pretty short amount of time. Definitely much quicker than trying to get it in with just a strip disc. Although, I mean, the strip disc does work as well. So yeah, I mean, get a little bit. It's like I said, I feel like this probably would be a lot easier if it wasn't as many layers of paint, but it is. You know what I'm saying? It is. You definitely want to keep moving with this because you don't want to let it heat up and warp the metal. Same thing with the grinding disc. That's why some people recommend 36 grit. 36 didn't work for me. So it is what it is. It's all about finding what works for you and running with it, man. Running with it. So before I get too much deeper or get too off into it, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to order the replacement disc so that I can have them on deck. That way when I get to working, you know what I'm saying, they really get to stripping it down, then ain't no reason for me to stop. So yeah, man. So yeah, like I said, I just want to show y'all the Bauer SCT. You know what I'm saying, and what it's capable of doing, man. So till next time, it's your boy LSRod254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Have thought about choices, choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. Hashtag Road to Whipfest. Put it in the comments. Hashtag Road to Texas Whipfest 2022. Gone.